Hello, this is Zoytech, and in this video I wanted to go over different ways we can avoid getting blocked by web application firewalls. So oftentimes when we're running automated scanners like directory brute force and fuzzing, etc., we get blocked by the firewall. We get a 403 in a response. First thing you'd probably do is connect to a VPN, which does resolve the issue. But what happens if we don't have access to a VPN and we're using a VPS, or we're using our local machine to perform scans? Well, that's when we can use ProxyChains. So I'm going to go over just a really quick, brief overview of how we can set it up. But I first want to explain, I want to kind of demo a website that I've been blocked by. So dell.com.au, I've been rate limited, or I've been blocked by their web application firewalls. Sometimes it's only temporarily, but just for instance, I'm going to use this one as an example. Now, quickly, how we set up ProxyChains is just by doing an apt-get install ProxyChains 4. This is for Debian users. If you're using something else, just do your research. It will tell you how to do it online. The configuration file should be in etc proxychains4.conf. Now, I'm not going to explain each mode and what everything does, but just to keep things simple, comment strict chain. We don't want strict chain, so just put a comment there. I think that's uncommented by default, and we want to uncomment dynamic chain. Okay. Now, all the way down here. Also, if you want to do extra research on proxy DNS, you can. That's worth looking into because we don't want to leak our DNS. Anyway, if we go down here, we want to use SOCKS 5. So what I'll do is I'll just move this over here just for now. Okay, so what you want to do is you should have SOCKS 4 by default, but we just want to add in an extra line that uses SOCKS 5. So you can just copy that if you want. All right, that's that part done. Okay, so after you put in SOCKS 5 for Tor, we can just save that file. And we also need to install Tor, so that's, again, we can just do an apt-get install Tor. If you want to ignore like the prompts, we can just do tac-y. But Tor's already installed, which is good. You can check to see if it's enabled by just going Tor status, like so. So it's active. So like I said before, I got blocked. I'm banned by, well, not banned, but I'm temporarily blocked by Dell. So if I do ProxyChain, if I put ProxyChains 4 in front of that command, you'll notice that I should be able to access the website. So it's going to be going through several proxies at the moment. And just wait a bit. I don't know why it's taken so long, but yeah, there you go. It just took a bit of time, but you can see now we can access the website. So from here onwards, we could run automated scans again. We could maybe make a script if we wanted to get pretty advanced. We can make a script that would do this like every time we get a 403. But this is the quick demo on how we can use ProxyChains to avoid that nasty 403. I hope you liked this video. This video will be unlisted just for you guys. I don't want it to be public. Maybe I'll make a better video later on that will be public on my YouTube channel. But this will just be private for now, or unlisted. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.